Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Google Maps by saving and color-coding your favorite locations with pins. First, open Google Maps and search for a place you want to save, like your gym or a frequent meeting spot. Once the location's info card appears at the bottom, tap on the Save button, which looks like a bookmark. You'll see a list of default lists like favorites and want to go. For more organization, tap New List to create a custom one, like work projects or 2024 travel. Here's the key step for customization. After saving, go to your Save tab in the bottom menu. Find the place you just saved and tap the three dots next to it. Select Edit Your Lists. Now you can choose a different list and, most importantly, tap the color to change the pin's color. Choose blue for cafes, green for parks, or red for important deadlines. Your custom-colored pins will now appear directly on the map, making it easy to see your important spots at a glance. You can also change a pin's icon by saving it to a specific list that uses icons, like the Starred Places list, and that's it. You've just transformed your map into a personalized visual guide to your favorite places. If you create a cool custom map, let me know how you're using colored pins in the comments. See you in the next one.